Wagwan. So today you guys are spending the day with me. Actually 2 days. You're spending the days off with me. So typically I get 2 back-to-back days off with the job that I work. If you guys don't know, I work in the customer service field. I'm a team coordinator. Today's my day off as well as tomorrow, and I do have a little bit of things to do. It's a little bit later in the day, to be honest. Let me tell you guys what time it is. So right now it is 11:50, and I do have a few stuff to do. I'm going on the road. Period. I said I wanted to get a gym membership today, but I kind of don't feel like I'm gonna do it because I kind of have some video ideas in mind, and it will also help me, overall in the workout field. So I think I'm gonna pause that instead of going to the gym. I have something else planned. When I go on the road, I will tell you guys because I don't want to be too loud. But yeah, y'all know what we finna do by the title. But I'm home, so I can't really talk too loud. I have to get ready, bathe. I want to do my makeup today because I feel like I want to at least take a picture. I do want to change my intro too, guys. I'm gonna either film that today or tomorrow so you guys could see that too. But first I'm gonna go ahead and have a shower, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, y'all, so I'm just getting out of the shower. Actually, I've already picked out what I'm gonna wear. Really simple. Because I'm really just going on the road for like an hour. Decided to wear this top right here. It needs to iron, but it's just this basic top, right? Joggers that I've had for a while. Both of them really needs to iron, so I'm gonna iron them. Yeah, so that's basically what I plan to wear. These joggers and that purple top, and you guys should see me in a clip. I'm actually ready. I'm not ready. I was gonna do my makeup with you guys, but I've decided that I don't want to do makeup. The rain is gonna fall in, so I have to go on the road and come back really quickly. I don't know if you can hear the thunder them. May I call my mother and ask her what she thinks. Y'all, I'm just gonna leave my hair as is. I just brushed it out really, and this is what I love about like styles like this. Really don't need to do too much. Me personally, I'm a fan of just, I like to look cute all the time, but it's not all the time I need to be doing too much. You know what I'm saying? Like if I had on a wig, I would probably have to reinstall. Or I love wigs, don't get me wrong. I have a love-hate relationship with wigs. If it requires me to do too much, it's a no for me, but I'm still gonna do it. It would look great if I had on a gold thingy, but I just don't think these two looks good together. But let me try still. All right, I'm gonna add some lotions too. I'm gonna apply some body butter. You don't need a lot, but today I'm kind of applying a little bit more because my elbows are so dry. I think that's about it. I don't really plan on doing anything else because I'm not doing my edges either. I like to just brush it out so it can look really soft. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm actually in Bashko. I'm trying to find a mason jar, garbage bags. Hey y'all, so I did a soccer job. What is it?
What color do you want in your ice cream, right?
But tell her, say, me and Sandra eat ice cream and Sandra come home. So why not just wait for we say we love to eat ice cream together? This game, that is all it is.
Wow. Anyway, Stage, my back to this So yes guys, I just reached home from off the road. I'm actually gonna make some hot dogs, for us to eat, because that's what we're having for dinner. We've been eating food. Today we just feel like we do something light, them. And somebody there home and decided to she now cook. So we say, you know what, make we buy hot dogs. Make we buy hot dog bread since we have so much, dogs. and we're gonna make hot dog. So I'm gonna make that right now. We yeah, we're gonna have ice cream too on the side, period. I've been away. Yeah, for the rest of the day, I don't think I'm doing much for the rest of the day. Just gonna make the hot dog. We'll probably chill and watch a movie.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the old.
Morning, guys. So it's the next day. We're gonna see me from me. I make the pizza. There's a lot of nice out there. Everybody I try but my vibe. So we're gonna see me from me. I make the pizza hot dog. I actually didn't even finish making the hot dog. Afterwards, we just went and watched some movies and we chilled for the night. I'm gonna go to bed till late. It's probably like 11 p.m. Today's Itchy's birthday. Yeah, today it's your birthday. I'm bed already and get ready. I had a shower already. Cut up my hair in this little cute style. I love to see on a woman. And you know, so I'm gonna do skincare as yet. I actually saved it for you guys. So we're going to the restroom because I do want to show you guys. I did a video. My last video. Was it my last video? Yeah, you guys would have seen about some skincare stuff. I'm thinking, why not show you guys the stuff that I'm using. Alright, so this black soap that I bought a brush too. I don't know if you remember this brush I'm gonna buy. It's actually really rough, so I don't really know if I like it like that. And sometimes I have to remind myself to take time because I'm literally rough and this already rough. So I also do my lips because I mean it's a part of your body. Alright, so after I go in with my face scrub, this is the glowing face scrub by Earth Elements. I'm ready to pass water. Okay guys, so I've finished washed off the mask. Now in the bedroom. Now that I've pat my face dry, I'm just gonna get my fan and I'm gonna brush out my lashes. Okay y'all, so that is it. I'm gonna apply these now. First I'm gonna tone. This is my moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use the pumpkin seed oil. Guys, guess who got their lash supplies? Guess who got their lash supplies to start practicing? Period. Olive oil. Other. Period.
What's this? Is it a laptop?
I just want to get money from the laptop there.
When you take so long, when you want to break your finger? Get it to rip it up.
What's this? Rose gold? Gold? Platinum silver? So cute. Oh wow. Why look MacBookish?
Look for the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me on some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. They round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit.